Okay, so we're at the Jelly Bean Factory. You have to come to this stand for iSM. I've been coming every year for as long as I can remember, because these two gentlemen next to me are the real artisans of jelly beans, and there's a reason why they work beautifully together. Let's catch up on the company and how since it's been since last year. There's a lot of changes and more exciting products here, but can you just bring us up to date since last year on how the company's been performing?
Yeah, we had an excellent year last year. We expected a more difficult year than we actually had. The outturn was better than we had anticipated for the year. We introduced some new products. One of the most exciting new products we introduced was our range of chocolate jelly beans. We developed chocolate jelly beans about 10 years ago, but we never actually brought them fully to market until we really perfected the quality of the product, and we're now selling those with Belgian chocolate in 3 types of chocolate. We've got the Belgian dark chocolate with 70% cocoa, and then the milk chocolate, and then the white chocolate. And we've got 7 different flavors in that range. And it's been a phenomenal success since we launched it at the end of September.
How to come up with the flavors were, what we did is we chose the flavor range, so we've got a nice fruit flavor range, and then we have some very, very different flavors like the coffee, the mint, and the, what's the last one, the cherry.
Cherry.
Yeah,
right.
really, really strong flavors. But what we've done is we've infused the flavor right through the chocolate and through the center of the bean as well. So it's the same concept as the gourmet bean, with the flavor 100% right through.
I see your products all over the UK when I go into like attractions and museums and fun fairs. I see your products everywhere. How did you do that? I mean, your company's come from a long way in the last 10 years. It's amazing.
When we started out, we had a very limited range of retail outlets. We're mainly in one of the big supermarket chains. That was a fortuitous situation because there's a sort of a snowball effect from that. Now, today, we're in about 40,000 retail outlets in the UK. So I can safely say from the point of view of brand identity, we are the brand leader in the UK market.
Another important area is the category management side of what we have now. Is we have a vast range of packs to meet the different categories of trade in the UK. So we have packs that are suitable for impulse, on the go. We have packs that are suitable for the larger grocery stores. We have packs that are suitable for the clubs type of stores. We have packs that are suitable for different seasons as well. So the category management has been very, very important for us, and being able to give different packs to different types of trade.
So do those packs have different flavours within them as well for different trends or different types of consumer?
Yes, they can do. We would have, say, a 100-gram tube range, which would have the everyday.
That'd be one of these, right?
Yeah, so that's a 100-gram tube size, right? But we've introduced a range of heart flavour.
They're in heart shapes.
Yeah. So we'd have this now with the pinks, reds, whites, which would be suitable for Valentine's. But then we'd also have then sweethearts, which has got some reds and yellows and blue beans in it, and that would be for all year round.
Is that quite new then? Because I don't know if I've seen that last year.
Yeah, this is new for us this year.
Is that like a completely different production process to produce a heart from a jelly bean shape, or is it relatively straightforward?
It's relatively straightforward.
Right. For you it is.
For us it's relatively straightforward. It's just a different mould, a slightly different technique in the panning process, but providing we keep to the basic standards that we've evolved in the business, in the manufacturing process, we end up with the right quality of product. So we don't compromise on that at all at any stage of our production. This is a new pack, a new product, yes. It's a super sour jelly bean, but what we've done is we've got a good balance between the acidity and the flavor. So when you bite into one of our products, say take a cola flavor, it's cola, but it's also nice and sour and tart. Whereas a lot of the other cheaper products that are on the market, you bite into it and just get a load of acid in your mouth. Okay. With our product, you get the flavor as well as the acidity.
So we've got to try some.
I can see your eyes there, Angus.
I know,
you're gagging for it.
I'm absolutely. That's it. So much talk about sweets, and I've got to try and eat some now. Or I will eat some. I don't need to try it.
That is the cola.
Yeah, it's like. It kind of finds its way into your mouth, doesn't it? It's brilliant.
Well, I think it makes your face go like a little bit like our little man here on the back.
Yeah, that looks like my son actually. That looks like my son when it's bedtime.
Try Star Lemon.
That's lovely. This is another sour, super sour.
Yeah, another super sour. So these are being launched officially into the trade on the 1st of April.
Oh, it kind of wakes you up, and then.
Oh yeah, it'll wake you up. Yeah.
I need one of those every morning.
Yes.
So that's the whole range of super sour flavours within one pack. So, Peter, where do you see the aspirations of the company, and how you're taking the company forward? Well, you and Richard, and how you see the company in the future.
I think one of the main drivers in our business is the focus on quality, and we just won't compromise on quality for price or anything like that. It's quality all the way along the line, and then new product development plays a very big part in our overall business. We must keep innovating, we must come out with new products, and we are still working, as we speak here today, we're still working on some very exciting new products. If you were talking to us again in 6 months' time, we'll be showing you something quite revolutionary new. Yeah, I can't
Wait.
I can't tell you what it is today, otherwise I'd have to shoot you. But
Okay, and then we got some. And is there anything else that you're doing, Richard, in the business, and any aspirations that you've got for this year? Obviously working closely together.
Yeah, working very, very closely with each of our distributors in each of our markets, and getting a real deep understanding of what's required in each market to gain further distribution. And we've got long-term relationships now with all of our customers. Everyone is coming to the stand, and all we're getting back is positive comments about the quality, the packaging, the design, the sell-through, the way the marketing is developing in the business, and the strategy that we have for our branding, and the natural aspect of the product. It's just positive news all the time.
Peter, integrity is a big element for your company. It's part of your culture, isn't it, of never letting people down, isn't it? And that's very, very much a sort of an Irish thing as well, isn't it?
I suppose it's part of our culture, and certainly is a culture within our company. We work hard to make sure that what we deliver is what we say we're going to deliver, and we don't let people down, and we are not afraid to admit to our mistakes from time to time, but the integrity of dealing with our customers is paramount in our business and our business ethic.
And you have some customers, you were saying, Richard, that you've had sort of almost for life, and they keep coming back, and year after year after year.
Yeah, I mean, we've got customers since day one, since 15 years ago, and they become friends. We have relationships, and that's the way it is. It's we work things out. When there's a hard time, we'll work it out and try and find a solution.
And I'm sure they're going to stay for many more years, because these products here are absolutely wonderful. I can't wait to take some back to the kids and make the sour ones. That's going to be good. But Peter, Richard, it's been wonderful speaking to you, and
Thanks,
success for the future. And
Thank you.
I've got to come back in 6 months to find out what all that was about.
I'll tell you in 6 months' time.
Okay.
Definitely. I'll
Right.
show it to you in 6 months' time as well.
I can't wait. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.